Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to edit Google form after submitting. So let's get started. So if you want to edit your Google form even after submitting it, so to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your forms. So in search bar you can search for forms.google.com, and after searching for that just simply select the form that you want to edit even after uploading it. So after selecting it, just simply tap on settings, which is on the top of your screen. And after tapping on settings, just tap on responses. And after tapping on responses, now you will find this option which is allow response editing. And after allowing response editing, now you will be allowed to edit your responses. So here you can find this option which says responses can be changed after being submitted. So now what you can do is just simply turn it on, and after turning it on, we are successfully allowed to edit someone even after submitting the form. So that's it guys, this is how to edit Google form after submitting. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.